Hi, Dan Polimino here from Keller Williams Realty Maui, Big Island, and the Hawaii team. Well, today I am in beautiful Kona Bay Estates in Kailua-Kona, and we're at this amazing 2-bedroom, 2,700 square foot home for $4.9 million right here on the ocean. Our clients are taking a look at it. Maybe they'll buy it, maybe they won't, or maybe you are interested in purchasing a dream property just like this. Let's take a look. Okay, that's the tour of our Kona Bay Estates 2-bedroom for $4.9 million. If you like it, contact us here at the Hawaii team. And of course, if you're ever looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate here on the Big Island of Hawaii, think of us at the Hawaii team, 808-913-0899 or thehawaiiteam.com. Aloha!